Hello, I am Lorna, a Reiki master and reflexologist. I incorporate essential oils into the treatments I provide to my clients, friends, and family. I am recording a series of informative videos highlighting some of these oils. This is the second video in the series. This video will be focusing on peppermint oil. If you are unsure what an essential oil is, please listen to my first video in the series, Introducing Essential Oils. Peppermint, or Mentha piperita, is one of hundreds of species in the genus Mentha. It is a natural hybrid mint through the crossing of spearmint with watermint. The herb has downy leaves and small purple or white flowers. A peppery, pungent aroma that is cool and refreshing. Mint has been around for thousands of years. Highly respected in ancient Egypt, it was actually a form of currency. The Romans believed it increased the appetite, and if worn around the head, it stimulated the mind and soul. Peppermint oil has many uses. Here is just a few suggestions. Peppermint oil, diluted with a carrier oil and when applied to the skin, causes a cold, tingling sensation. This increases the circulation to this area of the body, which aids recovery from headaches and things like joint and muscle pain. The active ingredient is menthol, and this can be known to ease the symptoms of IBS, stomach and cramp pains, by relaxing the valve between the stomach and the esophagus. When inhaled, it treats coughs and colds, reduces stress, improves mental function, and lifts the spirit. It's lovely, a few drops into your bath water. It has many uses in the home too. When mixed with water, it can be used to spray areas to repel pests, like ants and spiders, fleas and moths, as well as mice and lice. It also kills bacteria on surfaces, preventing the spread of infection. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about oils, I have my own website, relaxtorestore.co.uk, with an online shop which sells many quality oils describing their origin and their uses in full detail. I also stock a lovely selection of homeware, gifts and handcrafted items. Thank you for your time and for listening. My next video, video 3 in the series, will be on lavender oil. I hope you'll tune in again soon, and please tell your friends and like and subscribe. Thank you.